I'm going to show you how to join two pieces of yarn using a magic knot. When you're crocheting a project and you go from one ball of yarn to the other, this knot is a great thing to use to join your yarn. For this demonstration purpose, I will use two different colors of yarn to make it easier for you to see. We'll take this white yarn, we're going to bring it under, then we're going to bring this yarn over, okay, so with the white yarn we've gone under the orange yarn, then we've made a loop and we've come over the orange yarn, and now we're going to go under the white. Okay, so when you have that white yarn poking through, we'll just give it a pull. And we'll tighten that white yarn up as much as we can. On this side, we're going to do the opposite. We'll take the orange yarn and we'll go over. Then we're going to go under and under again. Then we'll bring the orange yarn over into the middle of that loop. We'll pull tight with our orange yarn. Make sure our white one is tight. Now I'm going to take the orange yarn in this hand and the white yarn here, and we will slide these two together. Then we'll trim our yarn close to our knot. So our magic knot is made and our two pieces of yarn are joined with just the smallest of knot. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow, and happy crocheting!